You're listening to the Seen and Solved podcast brought to you by Hubbard-Hall.
So these packages are made through a process called impact extrusion, and it goes through a high-speed process and it's turned into one of these cans. So this can, this nice aluminum can is what eventually becomes one of these packages. And there are many, many steps between this part and getting to this end result. So there's a couple of really critical things about these parts. Number one is the cleanliness of the can and the adhesion properties of the aluminum. And so why is that important? So when you make an aluminum package, every package, whether it's got shaving cream, suntan oil, Coca-Cola, whatever's in there, there's a specialized lining depending on that product on the inside of this can. And that lining protects the product and it protects the package. And making sure that lining is adhered properly is critical, okay? So the cleanliness of these cans on the inside and outside where all the graphics are is critical. The other thing is there's also not just cleaning, but there's surface treatment going on at the same time of these cans where you actually put a mild micro etch on the surface. And this all has to be done at one time. The lubricant has to be cleaned, and we have to put a micro etch on the surface. And the micro etch is so you get adhesion of that liner, and the graphics on the top. Okay. And just to give you an idea of scale, like one facility that makes these type of cans will make over 1 million of these in a 24-hour period.
The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.